Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest trends and technologies that can help you stay ahead in your professional career. Today we're going to be talking about the top 5 ways to make money with AI. As you know, AI is one of the most revolutionary technologies of our time, and it has the potential to change the way we work and live. Point 1: AI consulting. The first way to make money with AI is to become an AI consultant. AI consultants work with businesses to help them understand and implement AI technologies to improve their operations. They help businesses develop strategies to collect and analyze data and identify areas where AI can be used to increase efficiency and productivity. If you have expertise in AI and business strategy, then becoming an AI consultant can be a lucrative career option. Point 2: AI development. The second way to make money with AI is to become an AI developer. AI developers work on developing AI algorithms and applications that can be used in various industries such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. As an AI developer, you can work for a company or start your own AI development business. The demand for AI developers is increasing rapidly, and this is a great opportunity for anyone who has a passion for programming and AI. Point 3: AI research. The third way to make money with AI is to become an AI researcher. AI researchers work on developing new AI algorithms and technologies that can be used in various industries. They also work on improving existing AI technologies to make them more efficient and effective. If you have a PhD in computer science or a related field, then becoming an AI researcher can be a great career option for you. Point 4: AI data analyst. The fourth way to make money with AI is to become an AI data analyst. AI data analysts work with large amounts of data to identify patterns and trends that can be used to make predictions and decisions. They use machine learning algorithms to analyze data and provide insights to businesses. If you have a background in data science and machine learning, then becoming an AI data analyst can be a great career option. Point 5: AI entrepreneurship. The fifth way to make money with AI is to start your own AI business. AI entrepreneurship involves identifying a problem or opportunity that can be addressed using AI technologies and then developing a solution that can be sold to businesses or consumers. If you have a great business idea and a strong background in AI, then starting your own AI business can be a great way to make money and make a difference. Conclusion. So there you have it, the top 5 ways to make money with AI. Whether you're interested in consulting, development, research, data analysis, or entrepreneurship, there are plenty of opportunities to make a career in AI. The key is to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies, and to continue learning and growing in your field. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe.